So over here, you can see that I have this DeepSeek result. And if I were to go ahead onto the left-hand side, then you can see that I have a lot of DeepSeek contents right here. So let's say what I want to actually do is I want to go ahead and delete out some of these chats for privacy reason. In that case, you can go around. Let's say, for example, I got this sample CSV data. Then I can click on the three dot button and simply click delete right here and press delete to confirm, and that particular history is no longer there. So for privacy reasons, you can go ahead and let's say, for example, delete out these contents right here as you like. But there are no way to recover them once you actually go ahead and delete them out. And you need to remember just like that. So I got some content here. I'm just going to go ahead and delete it right here. I got some content deleted, and that's it. And that is how you can go ahead and delete out chats inside of DeepSeek. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.